Today we are doing Excel work, which every finance work and other must wanted. Let's start. We are giving date and item, then quantity, then price, and then gross. Total, then discount percentage and final price. Before that, hit the subscribe button for you and me. We gave a first date, then we touch the edge of the first date, then drag it, will automatically analysis and do it for us. Then I write some name of product in it. Sorry guys, I am slow. Just a second. How's your life in 2026? Let's study Excel and invest it for our future. So guys, we are back. I give it price. It's a 5-minute video, but it was a big time invest for our future. You can do it in your home and become a professional. Then I am calculating gross total, so I want to multiply quantity and price. So we do the formula, we drag to bottom. It's automatically copy the formula for us. I do discount percentage. I want to give final price for final price. The formula is find the percentage and subtract from gross total. Before every formula equals psi is wanted. Thank you guys. See you later.